Have you ever wondered what makes your favorite ice cream so delicious? Let's dive into the simple yet magical ingredients behind this universally loved dessert. Ice cream is more than just a frozen treat. It's a delightful combination of basic components that create a rich and satisfying experience. From classic vanilla to exotic fruit flavors, ice cream holds a special place in hearts worldwide, enjoyed by people of all ages. Despite its complex appeal, the core of ice cream lies in just a few simple ingredients, making it accessible and versatile. The first essential ingredient is dairy, which provides the creamy base and rich mouthfeel that defines ice cream. Typically, a blend of milk and cream forms the foundation, giving ice cream its signature smoothness and body. The fat content in dairy is crucial for ice cream's texture, contributing to its richness and preventing it from becoming too icy. Next up is sugar, which is not just for sweetness but also plays a vital role in the ice cream's consistency. Sugar enhances the flavor profile, balancing the richness of the dairy and making the ice cream truly satisfying. It also lowers the freezing point of the mixture, ensuring your ice cream remains soft and scoopable rather than rock hard. The third ingredient category is flavorings, which transform a simple base into an exciting array of choices. From classic vanilla and rich chocolate to refreshing fruits, flavorings are what give each ice cream its unique identity. Whether using natural extracts, fresh fruits, or artificial compounds, flavorings dictate the taste experience. Finally, the unsung hero of ice cream is air, an ingredient you might not even realize is there. Air is incorporated during the churning process, creating a light, fluffy texture and increasing the volume of the ice cream. The amount of air, or quote, overrun, directly impacts the texture, with more air leading to a lighter, softer consistency. It's the perfect harmony of dairy, sugar, flavorings, and air that creates the magic of ice cream we all adore. Now that you know what's inside, you can appreciate the delightful complexity of every single scoop. So go ahead, indulge in your next ice cream treat with newfound knowledge and appreciation.